Yeah.
Because
Okay.
then what happens is, let's say I'm expecting this project to be done in 2 days, and it's day three, and I'm gonna reach out, say, "Hey, where is this?" Right? And you're telling me you're still stuck somewhere, and you could have sort of solved it by just asking that question. So as you said, the willingness to ask, keeping timelines and sort of in mindset, and knowing that at least hopefully there's an open environment, and people are friendly, and people are ready to help you. Right? I think that's very important.
Yeah. Yeah. I think that that's not always easy for somebody who's early in their career to understand, but there is a value in reaching out, and I think it kind of makes your colleagues feel better. Right? It feels better when somebody's asking you questions as opposed to not hearing from them, or just kind of sitting
Yeah,
off in the corner by yourself.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well, wonderful. I think that these have been some great answers, and I'm really glad we got to spend some time together.